Industrial engineering is a discipline dedicated to optimizing complex processes and systems within organizations. By applying principles of mathematics, science, and engineering, industrial engineers seek to improve efficiency, productivity, and quality across various industries. Their work often involves analyzing workflows, designing better systems, and implementing solutions that reduce waste and enhance performance. Through these efforts, industrial engineering plays a crucial role in helping organizations achieve their operational goals and remain competitive in a rapidly changing environment. Process optimization in industrial engineering focuses on enhancing efficiency by systematically reducing waste and lowering operational costs. Techniques such as lean manufacturing streamline workflows and eliminate non-value-added activities, while Six Sigma employs data-driven methods to minimize defects and variability. Value stream mapping helps visualize and improve the flow of materials and information throughout production. Additionally, automation and continuous improvement initiatives enable organizations to adapt quickly to changing demands and maintain competitive advantage. Together, these strategies contribute to more sustainable and cost-effective industrial operations. Industrial engineering plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity and reducing waste across various industries. By analyzing workflows and optimizing processes, industrial engineers help organizations achieve greater efficiency and cost savings. For example, in manufacturing, they may redesign assembly lines to minimize downtime and improve output. In healthcare, industrial engineering principles have been used to streamline patient admissions and reduce waiting times. These improvements not only boost operational performance but also contribute to better resource utilization and overall organizational success. Industrial engineering plays a crucial role in streamlining processes and optimizing resource use within organizations. By applying systematic approaches to problem solving, it helps reduce waste, improve efficiency, and lower operational costs. These improvements lead to higher productivity and better overall performance, enabling companies to remain competitive in dynamic markets. Ultimately, the principles of industrial engineering foster innovation and sustainable growth, benefiting both businesses and their employees.